It is winter out here.
Well, at least to me, it's winter.
So I just changed the oil on this thing. I went through and greased everything, blew out air filters in the radiator, and just kind of did a service for this thing. That time of year where we got to do those sort of things. But it is cold. It is like, right now it's 25, about 30-mile-an-hour winds, but it's down in the teens at night. And it is very, very cold, and so I want to start feeding these bales of baleage that we baled back in July, I think. I don't know how they're going to turn out because we baled them at around 30%. I couldn't get it dry enough, but it was almost too dry to really make good baleage, so I'm curious. I'm very curious. See if I can do this thing one-handed. Poke. Oh, that was weird. That didn't poke very well. And bop. Oh, it's cold. It's too cold. Why are you mooing? It's freezing. Freezing and frozen. What do you guys want? Excuse me. Thank you. All right, I threw them a couple square bales here, just to kind of add to the buffet that they get to eat. A little side note: if you want to see more day in the life stuff, you check out my Instagram at Entre Farmer. Put a linky right here so you know how to spell it. Where'd I put my knife? Oh, it's in my pocket though. Anyway, I do a lot of daily videos over there to show my day-to-day life on the farm. So if you're interested in that, go ahead and check it out. Anyway, we are going to break into the bale here and see what we got to work with. I really have no idea what it's going to be like. This stuff was baled at 30%, so that's way too high normally for most guys. It was pretty much all foxtail. So that's what we're left with. We'll see how they eat it. I'm having a really hard time pulling flakes off. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut the wrap off and actually set it out here in the... It's not quality forage, and I knew that, but I guess I was expecting a little bit more than their reaction to it. So I think if I stick it out there, when they run out of dry hay, they'll start picking through this. Yeah, we'll see. Hold on. I had a retarded moment. Big retarded moment, actually. Yeah, it turns out these bales are just like every other bale, and they have twine. Duh. Duh, Jake. That'll make you feel stupid. Look at that. Look at that. We'll start with that. The only problem is these guys probably aren't going to eat this bale very fast, meaning it's going to spoil. Oh well, it's not great feed anyway. Well, we got a load of straw in. Got one more bundle here. Let's go find it. Found it. It's right there. Hey, I found it, guys. It's right there.